happy and safe Diwali. As you all know, this year has started with a gloomy note of this unexpected pandemic. So this Diwali would be different, and make sure you wear mask and stay at home. And celebrate with your family and friends, and make sure you don't attend large gathering and events. And if you are shopping outside, if you are shopping for this festival, so make sure you wear your mask and maintain social distance. And don't forget this sanitizer. Make sure you sanitize your hands like this. So yeah, happy Diwali and stay safe at home.
Hello everyone, I'm Brora Shrivastava from Tech Affinity Consulting, and I wish you all a great and prosperous Diwali. I want to share one message with you guys. We all know that due to this pandemic, we have suffered a lot. Most of us are living away from our home, our family members, our friends. So, why don't you do one thing and just call your neighbors, your friends, your family, and make sure that they are okay. This Diwali, don't let anyone feel alone. Let's give hands to each other and make it more prosperous. Thank you.
Hi everyone, happy Diwali. It's a very special time of the year. I hope you all are safe, you all are doing completely fine with your families, and I would like to wish all of you a safe Diwali, a sparkling Diwali. It's that time of the year. Last year we all were together, so I've been remembering all the good times, and we will be meeting very soon. Okay, so till then, take very good care of yourselves. Stay home, stay safe, and most importantly, keep washing your hands often. Okay, so on that note, wishing everybody once again all the happiness.
Hi everyone, I wish you all a very prosperous and happy Diwali. This year we all have seen a lot of ups and downs in our life, including our loved ones. So I request you all to come together and spread happiness in each other's life.
Hello everyone, hope you all are good and staying safe. So today I am here to share you something about how I will celebrate this Diwali in my home, especially in this pandemic period. So as you all know, for each and every festival, new cloth is the preference, especially for girls. So this time I have done online shopping. Because of this corona, I'm not going out. So last year and all we used to go out for shopping, but this year most of the things we have done online shopping. So then now I am going to tell you how the day will go on that festival day. So we used to get up at 5 o'clock and we'll apply oil all over the body, and then we'll take hot water bath. So the day starts with oil bath. Then my mom will put a colorful rangoli in front of home, and she will decorate main door with hangings of mango leaves. This is actually compulsory in my home. It is compulsory for each and every festival. My mom will decorate main door with hangings of mango leaves and flowers. Then she will prepare a variety of foods. Then we'll do puja. This festival we mainly worship goddess Lakshmi. So finally, last but not least, at evening we used to lighten up lamps in and around our entire home. This is actually my favorite activity because we will see lights everywhere, right? So it's like awesome. I really like this activity. Yeah, like this it will go. Then I know what you all are thinking. She said everything, but she is leaving an important big part of the festival, that is crackers. Yeah, crackers I really don't like. Because is the festival really incomplete without crackers? I think no. I really don't like busting up firecrackers and all. Yeah, in my childhood days, I used to enjoy the festival with sparkling the crackers, but I'm matured now, so I know the disadvantages of crackers, how it is dangerous for kids, how the environment will get polluted because of these crackers. So I know all these, so I really don't like the crackers, but I'll enjoy the festival with the lights. um, Hope you people also avoid the crackers. If not, at least this year, especially in this pandemic situation, we all know how this corona is killing peace around us, and how it is impacting economy of the country, and most of the people are really struggling for food without the job and all. So at least this year we can try to help the people who is really struggling with the money which we spent for crackers. At least this year we can try. Yeah, so let's say no to crackers, and by being eco-friendly we can try to save our environment too. That's all. Yeah, once again, a very happy Diwali to all of you, and may this festival brings joy, health, and wealth to all of you. May Goddess Lakshmi put an end to this corona. Enjoy the festival thoroughly. Be happy forever. Enjoy the festival, but without crackers. With lights, you can enjoy. Yeah, happy Diwali.